This is second video this morning. I've done here. We have dog, raptor, and seashell. Rodan is there. It's him. Been a year that I've been facing challenging by the tourist slowdown in Siem Reap. This moment I've been walk through inside my place, homestay, and also stay around. Very peaceful here. We create this place for provide the experience at the Cambodian culture, experience as the local relaxation surrounded by the green, relax with the bird singing. However, in the year, since the last year, May last year, the tourist industry very affected. We try to survive our business, maintain operation, survive my family. Now very exhausted. That I have been create a lot of opportunity, provide a lot of that benefit to the tourist for our future trip to Cambodia, but it still not can work. I have been sent a lot for asking support from every friend, every guest, but still not much working. There are some guests have been provide support, but it's still not can survive our cost, our bill payment. That the reason I make a new project. According to they have a lot of birds, a lot of creature here, and we decide to create one project we call bird neck project that provide that the bird home around our place. I have been dropped the full description and the project link under this video, hopefully, and would invite you all to visit, to review, to support. Thank you for your time, for watching this video, and have a great day.